Hello everybody, I got a great property here. This is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath house. It's on acreage. Shebang Creek flows right through the property. There's an orchard on it. Really nice property. But first I want to show you around the house, and we're starting right here in the family room. Nice big room. If you've never met me, I'm a large man, and this is a big room. Vaulted ceilings, has this really cool rustic wood grain type flooring. Really is a very attractive, nice house. I think you're going to enjoy it. Right in here we have the kitchen. Has the island on it. Of course, we have a dishwasher, side-by-side refrigerator, which is going to stay with the property. We have the built-in Maytag microwave. The range all stays with it. And then something else I was going to show you too. These cabinets open up and then they have the slide-out drawers. So that's something you don't see very often at all. Really is a nice upgraded prefab home here. And then the kitchen flows right into the dining room right here. Really nice dining room. Has a slider window that goes out to the covered deck. This deck is on 3 sides of the house, and so it makes it for beautiful enjoyment of our North Central Idaho outdoors. We're gonna walk in. It has this nice little office nook right here. So perfect little place to do a little bit of work. Nice built-in desk and cabinets there. And then we're going to come into the master bedroom, which really is a very large room here. Has a ceiling fan. Of course, everybody needs that in their room. And nice big queen-size bed here, and there's still plenty of room all around. And then wait till you see the size of this bathroom. We have the dual vanities right here. Big soaker tub with a view right outside the door. Right here's the water closet and a shower. And then go ahead and take a look inside of the walk-in closet. It is gigantic. I wish I had a walk-in closet that big. This is bedroom number 2. It's going to be right here. Actually a nice little size room. Of course it has a closet. And then we come right back out of it. And this is the family room. Again, nice and big. Show you it's plenty big. And then if you're not familiar with our area here, not a lot of houses have AC, but this one they do have some window units that they built into it. You don't need AC a lot out here, but they are nice to have for those days when you do want it. We can turn the corner real quick and we'll go through the laundry room and show that off. It's actually a pretty good sized laundry room. Got a big sink in there, and there is a door to the back deck. You come home from a long day of work and you're nice and dirty, give you a chance to come in through this way and not track it through the entire house. Now this really cool built-in hutch right here. Gives this home a little extra character. Then we have another bathroom here. This is a full bath. It's a tub shower. Has a nice vanity. And then I'm going to bring you into bedroom number 3. Nice big room here. We have the closet there. Again, has a queen size bed and has some furniture in here. So as you can see, it's a nice big room. And then this is bedroom number 4. Walk you into there, and just a real nice house. If you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, I'm the only broker in North Central Idaho who consistently makes real estate videos. And so if you find these valuable, please leave me a like, maybe even a comment, but make sure you subscribe. Right here we're going to take you into the mother-in-law quarters, and then we'll walk through the shop real quick. This first room we walk into is basically a mud room. Give you a chance to take your shoes off. And then we're going to walk right into the main living area. It's a nice sized living room right here. You can see a couple big full-size couches. And then the kitchen really is a regular sized kitchen. You got a full oven and range top there, big side-by-side refrigerator, even has a dishwasher in this room. Then we're gonna walk into the bedroom, which is actually a pretty good size. They have a queen size bed here and some big dressers, so plenty of room. And then right there is the bathroom, and it has, of course, a toilet, a shower, and sink. And then right over here we have a stacking unit, and so that will stay with the house and the property. And then right out here we have a nice little patio, a little bit of green grass. Real nice place for a guest to stay. Let's go check out the shop. Okay, so this is the shop. They are moving, so we have a lot of boxes and stuff, and it's a little bit of disarray, but has a nice big mezzanine up there. There's lots of storage here, and then there's plenty of room to pull a full-size pickup into this spot as well. And so nice big shop. It's not insulated, but there is a concrete floor, has a roll-up door, and so a real nice little shop here. So another nice thing we got out here on this property that's staying with it is this nice storage shed. It's also referred to as a she shed. Some people call it a man cave. Really, you can use it for whatever you want. But again, they're getting ready to move. But this is all insulated, sheetrock. There's lights inside of here. So a real nice little building for any kind of crafts or storage that you might require. So this property has a lot of great features. We have Shebang Creek flowing right through it. There's an orchard. There's just all kinds of great things, and this is one of the last ones I was going to show you, though, is the flower beds they have here. As you can see, you can walk all the way down these. You can get in there and work them, and so this is a really great garden spot. We have beautiful southern exposure here. So if you have any interest in this property at all, please give me a call right away. I'd love to bring you up here and give you your own private tour.